So in today's video, we're going to work on the chop top LS swapped Ford. We're going to work on the exhaust, so stay tuned. Well, before we start working on the exhaust, the other day, what was it, a week ago, Jason?
What's that?
When we noticed the stuff over here?
Yeah, last week.
Yeah, so about a week ago, I noticed there's a bunch of rocks in the corner of my shop. This all happened in like a week. Looks like there's a woodchuck coming in here, so I'm gonna set up a trap, get some fruit in there, and hopefully trap the guy and take care of this, because it's insane. Like, it's just so much rock. Those little buggers can really wreck the foundation on your buildings too, so you want to make sure you take care of that. So yeah, we'll do that first. All right, so I know I haven't really talked about it, but with the car being as low as it is, I'm not going to run a full exhaust. The exhaust is going to come out right here. I've got some sweet teardrops that we're going to put in. So I just welded a bunch of pie cuts together because it's a little tight over here. I'm going to let them cool off. For now, what we're going to do is work on getting the whole cut on this side. And yeah, and hopefully we can glue it all together here tonight. At least just one side. Yeah, so got the one side all tacked up and everything. Yeah, fits pretty good. Hopefully I can do the other side similar. Definitely needed more pie cuts than I thought. I was just hoping to use a couple of them on this side, but it is what it is. A little bit of terrible fit up here, but whatever. I'm not too terribly concerned. So that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. Obviously the same video, I'm gonna do the other side, but I'll check you guys when I see you next. So the other week I got the one exhaust here done. I'm gonna work on doing the other one here tonight. This one should be relatively easier just because the angle of the flange isn't as bad. So we're gonna shoot it out the fender, tack it all up, and if everything looks good, we'll finish weld these and the exhaust is done. So stay around. Well, there we go. We got it all tacked up. It's got a little bit of a stick out compared to the other side, but I'm gonna put some plates around here, which will flush it up a little bit better. But yeah, that one went a lot easier. Well, like I said, it didn't have as crazy of an angle over there. But yeah, I'm gonna weld them all up. I gotta put an O2 bung in at least one of them. Yeah, and I gotta weld this port off too. I'm just gonna lop it off down here, plug it up. And then one of my buddies does Cerakoting and powder coating and stuff, so I'm gonna see if he wants to coat these manifolds for me. But hey, the exhaust is done. Gonna get the drive shaft made next. Once the drive shaft is made, this engine's coming out. We're putting the 6.2 liter in it. So yeah, see you guys next time.
Sure.
Look, I got them.